Thanks, Lars. Now it is my turn. I will talk about the climate and some general data from Australia.
The climate zones in Australia. In the north, the climate is tropical, but the further south you go, the colder it gets, with even some alpine and snow climate. Major vegetation types in Australia. The map shows the major vegetation types in Australia. At the edge of the East Australian coast, where the open forest is, the trees can get up to 30 meters high and have more space between each other. There are always opposite seasons in the northern and southern hemisphere. The reason for this is that in summer or winter one part of the planet is more directly exposed to the sun's vertical rays than the other, and this type of exposure alternates that the Earth rotates in its orbit around the sun. For example, now it is autumn in Australia, and in Germany it is spring. Canberra is the capital city of Australia. It is Australia's largest inland city and the 8th largest city overall. The city is located at the northern end of the Australian Capital Territory. Some national symbols are the Australian flag, the Australian Aboriginal flag, the national colours are green and gold, and the national animals are the kangaroo and the ostrich. Australia is a constitutional democracy, so the government is democratic, but they still have Queen Elizabeth II from England as a monarch. As Commonwealth realms, the two countries share a monarch.